Hey everybody, this is Chris Dominguez again from Storage Chain, and wanted to go through another demo of our vector AI search. So let's hop into the product. As we know, we've got a decentralized data storage, Web3 data storage cloud. And we've launched our vector embedding and AI storage product on top of it. And we just want to take a look at, how this thing works. And because it's the World Series, let's look at some World Series related content. Okay, so if I'm going to go to my buckets, again, I have the choice of vector buckets and standard buckets. And if you upload something into a vector bucket, it is going to do the vector embedding and AI search process on any of the content that we put in there. So let's just open a folder here. Let's upload a folder here. And let's see, maybe some World Series stuff. So let's open this up and let's upload. Looks like the 10 files in here. There's some PDFs, there's some images, there's some Word documents. Okay, so we just created this folder of content, and as you can see here, it takes a minute to vectorize each one of these files. So the process, you can see when the when the documents are completed, these are uploaded. Now they're completed as we go through. And we're going to then take a look at some search results here that we can get out. So let's take a look at, say, Dodgers. Okay, so the Dodgers are showing up in this image. Now, this is interesting, right? Because this is a JPEG image, but the word Dodgers is getting extracted from this image in the vector embedding and is showing up in the search. If we take a look at this, this is the Dodgers home and away schedule, which is pretty cool. And let's take a look here. This is another image that's showing up. So in this instance, we are getting results from an image, a PDF, two images in a PDF show up here. So what about if we are going to just search on LA? So what do we have here? LA Dodgers, home and away schedule. What about World Series? Okay, a bunch of results here from World Series. Blue Jays versus Dodgers World Series. We've got the World Series odds. We've got World Series on Fox. So again, this is extracting data from these images. And okay, so this is going to be, let's take a look. All right, so let's take a little bit more of an advanced search. So let's take a look at postseason. We're going to search on postseason, and let's see what comes up on postseason. Well, we've got the postseason picture image, which makes sense because it says postseason in there. And we've got, let's see, this is Ohtani here. Looks like his big game with his 3 home runs and his 10 strikeouts, but it doesn't say postseason on this image anywhere, and it is an example of our concept search where we'll get, and it doesn't say anything postseason in the image itself, but it turns up. So this is a good example of how our conceptual search works across our AI vector embeddings. And what else do we have in here for? And let's just download this image and take a look at what it looks like close up so we can zoom in. Okay, so let's zoom in. We're going to open this guy up and zoom in. So this image is about longest series title droughts in MLB history that are no longer active. So this is seasons. So this is about title droughts again, but it doesn't say postseason in here. So again, this is an example of a conceptual search. So just want to wish everybody a happy World Series weekend. It's going to be exciting, and hope your team wins.